In a New York courtroom, Nicolás Maduro did something no criminal defendant usually does. He did not just plead his case, he challenged the court itself. When the deposed Venezuelan leader declared that he was a prisoner of war, Maduro was not merely objecting to his arrest. He was questioning the very legal framework under which the United States is trying him. Just 48 hours after US Delta Force commandos captured Maduro and his wife, Celia Flores, from a compound in Caracas, Maduro pleaded not guilty to sweeping federal charges, including narco-terrorism, cocaine trafficking, and conspiracy. But he refused to recognize the court's authority, insisting he had been kidnapped in a military operation, not arrested through law enforcement. So why did Maduro call himself a prisoner of war? By invoking POW status, Maduro is attempting to recast his capture as an act of war rather than a criminal arrest. Under international law, prisoners of war are protected by the Geneva Conventions. They are not tried in civilian courts, not prosecuted simply for taking part in a conflict, and are generally detained until hostilities end, not sentenced by judges. If accepted, that argument would strike at the heart of the US case. Now remember, the charges against Maduro and his family are extensive. US prosecutors allege that for more than 2 decades, beginning when Maduro entered public office in 1999, he and his inner circle turned Venezuela into a key transit hub for cocaine shipments bound for United States. According to the indictment, Maduro, his wife Celia Flores, their son Nicolás Ernesto Maduro Guerra, and senior allies worked with powerful criminal and armed groups, including Colombia's FARC, Mexico's Sinaloa and Zetas cartels, and Venezuela's Tren de Aragua gang, all designated by the US and terrorist organizations. Prosecutors say the group provided protection, logistical support, and law enforcement cover for drug shipments, abused state institutions, and accepted bribes to ensure safe passage of cocaine. They allege the drug trade flourished for Maduro's personal benefit, the benefit of his regime and his family after he became president in 2013. Maduro has long dismissed the allegations as politically motivated. His lawyer argued that he should be immune from prosecution as the leader of a sovereign state and that his transfer to the US was illegal. Legal experts say the case will still be treated as a criminal trial. As former federal prosecutor Daniel Richman noted, immunity claims may be raised, but they are unlikely to derail proceedings. As Maduro continued to protest in court, Judge Hallerstein cut him short, saying there would be a time and place to raise those arguments.